No one wants to apply for a cash loan with bad credit because they are not able to obtain it. But when we look at the situation, we know that most of us are not in the position to pay money with good credit. This is why applying for a loan should be done in a smart way so that you don't end up going into further debts. It is best to keep your credit history intact but still to keep up with the high interest rates that are offered by the lenders. There are a lot of people who have taken loans but ended up paying more for it than the actual cost of borrowing the money. The new loan is likely to have higher rates of interest. It is important to keep your bad credit in check. First of all, stop taking out loans which have a high interest rate. Start making smaller repayments. This will reduce the payments towards your next payday so that you can comfortably afford it. So start keeping your bad credit in mind when applying for a loan. Ensure that the repayment terms to suit your finances. If you are paying monthly, do not make any overpayment. In order to ensure that you are not taking out a loan that has high rates of interest, then ensure that you provide any required details of your bad credit. This includes your date of birth, contact number, residential address, social security number, etc. These details will help you to obtain the loan at much faster and at cheaper rates. Also try to use online payment options to make payments. This will save you the time you would normally spend talking to the lender. Not all lenders accept online payments, so make sure you apply for one from a reputable lender. By keeping your bad credit in mind, you can make sure that you are borrowing the loan at a lower rate of interest. This will make the repayment process much easier. Don't let yourself fall into a cycle of taking out loans that are having high interest rates. It is important to keep your bad credit in mind when looking for a loan, but applying for it can be tricky. Just make sure that you are not applying for loans with high interest rates. However, if you have a credit card or some other form of unsecured loan, then you may not need to worry about your bad credit. However, if you have a traditional loan that has a high interest rate, you will have to maintain a good credit history in order to get the loan. If you think that you cannot get approved, then try applying for a cash loan with bad credit. There are many lending agencies who have been built up over the years, and they have a lot of experience in providing low interest rates to people who need cash. Make sure that you give them enough information to ensure that you are approved for the loan. They will help you get the loan on the best terms that you will be able to repay it. Apply for the loan now.